Good morning, good morning. Welcome to your math lesson for, what's today? Tuesday, May 5th. Yeah. Today for math, we have a test. So we do not have an actual lesson. We are, however, going to go over the instructions on your test. Remember, this is through, I'm expecting you guys to hold each other, well, I guess not each other, hold yourselves accountable. Be responsible, right? Take your tests the exact same way that you would take it if you were sitting at your desk in school. You should not have anything out for you to look at, any notes, any workbook pages, anything to help you answer any of the questions on the test besides what's already up in here, right? This really gives me a good idea of how you guys are doing and what you still need help with. So if you were asking mom or asking dad to help you with the answers or looking at prior math workbook pages to figure out how to do certain questions, guys, that's not telling me or giving me a good picture of how you guys are doing, right? So be responsible, do your best, and do your best on your own. Be honest, okay? All right, so let's look. You should have test number 14 in front of you. It looks like this, front and back. Let's go over each of the directions, starting with number 1. Write each mixed number or fraction as a decimal. Number 2, write as a mixed number or a fraction. So for number 1, you're going from a fraction to a decimal. For number 2, you're going from a decimal to a fraction, all right? Or, yeah, a mixed number and a fraction. Could possibly be both. All right. For number 3, read these words carefully and write the number on the line. Now, this is the only spot that mom and dad can help you with if you need the help. And here's what help looks like. If you would like them to read the number for you, that is okay. They cannot, however, tell you what digits to put and what place to put them in, right? They can simply read the words and you do the rest, okay? For number 4, follow the signs. Remember, if it's a fraction, it should be reduced to the lowest terms. If it is a mixed number, or I'm sorry, if it's an improper fraction, you need to turn it into a mixed number with a fraction reduced to the lowest terms, okay? Make sure that you put your answer in the correct form. Let's look at the back, guys. Number 5 says to divide and check. You get points for doing both those steps, so don't forget to check. Number 6, measure these lines to the nearest 1/2 inch with your ruler and write the lengths on the blanks at the left. Yeah, that's kind of confusing wording. All right, so you're going to measure these lines and you're going to write their distances or their lengths in the blank right next to them, okay? Number 7, use the words or numbers in the box to fill in the blank. You have a word box to choose, or I guess number box at times, to choose from, all right, to be able to fill in those answers for A through F. Now, if you need to complete your chart for the prefixes, you can do that, but it needs to happen right now. It shouldn't be a chart that has already been completed and you're looking at it now. It also shouldn't be a workbook page that you have the chart on there, right? You need to be able to produce it from memory, okay? You don't have to, though. If you don't need that, then you don't have to. Number 8, find the products. You can try to cross-cancel if you're able to. Some of these you should be able to. Remember, if it's a mixed number, you need to figure out how to put it into an improper fraction in order to multiply. So don't forget that, okay? All right, guys, that's it for math today. Pretty quick and easy lesson. I'm going to let you guys go. Obviously, it's a test, so we're not going to do any of them together, but I do expect you to do your very best on this, okay? And guess what? This is the second to last test that we will have in 4th grade. You have one more test, and that's going to be on either the Monday or the Tuesday of the last week of school, but then you guys are done. Woohoo! Congratulations, you're almost there. Stick with me. Keep running. Keep running hard, right? Keep your heads down. Keep on working. Finish out this year strong. You have 2 more weeks, just a little bit more than 2 more weeks. I think like 1 more day. 2 weeks and 1 day. All right, you can do this. All right, guys, I will catch you later. Sound good? Good luck.